What is up guys, so I've seen a lot of videos online for the Mavic Mini flying in the daytime in good conditions, but let's see what it performs like at night, and I think you're going to be surprised. I certainly was. So we're flying in an area 2.4 gigahertz because we're away from some houses, we're actually on the beach. But just look at this, this is what you see at night. This is straight out of the drone, no editing whatsoever. I mean, it is absolutely unusable. This is only about 8 o'clock at night, so it wasn't completely dark. You could see normally through a phone if you're taking pictures the quality is a lot better, but this is really bad for a drone. This is filming at 1080p 60, so when you actually see the footage when it's actually come out of the memory card, it's a bit clearer. We can see some houses and some cars just there in the bottom left hand corner, but again, it's not brilliant. It's completely unusable, I would say, and this is the latest drone. So also we're flying, we just had the first signal loss there at just over 300 meters, which again, I'm flying high at 75 meters high, and even at the 2.4 gigahertz signal we've got our first dropout. So we're just looking at this bottom left corner here at that building there to the left hand side. There's so much grain on that picture, then if you was to crop in at all or use that, it's just not a good picture at all, is it? I mean, it's just terrible. Useless, I think, is probably a better word. And like I said, this is HD quality, and it really isn't as late as it seems and as dark as it seems. The drone just seems to really struggle at night time getting anything decent footage. So I'm just also going to mention about the range. So you can see there we're just over 500 meters now, and it's starting to lag. That's another signal loss there we're getting, just at 575 meters, and the footage is now becoming really choppy and dropping out a lot. Again, 600 meters now, just another dropout. So I'm going to push the height a bit to 92 meters. I say this is only just over the 500 meter range is what you should get easily in 5.8. This is at 2.4. We've still got a decent signal there. It's not switched our signal for us, but at over 600 meters, again another dropout. We've just then had a complete loss now, so it's completely having on one now. The signal's lost. RC signal lost now as well, so we've got no connection to the controller now. So the best things to do in this situation is not to panic and just get your height of the drone a bit higher up. So we're at 93 meters now. Make sure the antennas are pointing directly where the drone should be, and then you just got to give it a few seconds before it either reconnects with the signal or it'll put itself into the fail-safe return to home mode. But I mean, there we go, you see that, see there, if I don't actually acknowledge that, it will put it into return to home straight away. But just a quick video for you, just to show you two terrible things with this Mavic Mini. It's not having a good time, is it? I mean, at 630 meters it completely lost signal, and this was away from houses at a decent height. And then the other bad thing was at night time, just give up with it. If you're looking at getting a decent nighttime image, don't pick up the Mavic Mini, because this is what you're going to get. I know a lot of videos are showing around cities and everything, and that's in really, really bright lights, and it looks a bit better. But if you was wanting to just fly it in normal environments, this now is the type of footage is what you're going to be getting. So anyway, I managed to get some sort of connection back with it, so I'm just spinning it back round now and getting it back to me in sports mode. So I didn't actually have to use return to home the whole way. It does connect back to it, so that's a good thing. Just don't panic, and you should hopefully regain your connection like I did. But as far as a 2.4 gigahertz, you should be getting around 2,000 meters, what DJI is saying. Now I know there's still a bit of interference because I'm not in complete open land, but I would expect a lot better than 600 meters. It's absolutely useless. So hope that you found that helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.